Well, the night of the storm, we took shelter in the bottom in the basement. When it started, it lasted for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, this is what happened. So now, thanks to all the volunteer groups from various organizations, including Harding and a lot of the Churches of Christ in the area and several others from Verizon to Blue Cross and others, they've come out and helped clean up as much stuff as we can find. Our next step is to try to relocate and maybe rebuild. The house was a total loss. All the vehicles were a loss. All the contents were a loss. So we just have to start over. Luckily, everybody survived. Nobody was hurt. We are truly blessed to be standing here and talking to you today. So from this point on, we're just starting over from scratch.
And we've been helping with the disaster relief here in Mayflower, and we've been picking up woods and moving it to a pile back here, and picking up the metal scraps and moving it to a pile there as well. And the house, actually the one right next to the one we worked at, had 6 kids living in there, so a lot of their mess and toys have come to this side of the house, and so we've seen a lot of teddy bears and books and toys from theirs. But it's really sad. It's really an eye-opener seeing all of this, because we were so close to it. You know, I remember being locked in school in the bathroom, but it's crazy seeing everything, like what it actually did.